Happy birthday, Dad Nestor. Happy birthday. Dinang Laswata. Happy birthday. Regards everyone.
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 90th birthday.
90th birthday, Saldi Astrud.
Oh.
We pray for your health. Papaskog lang to Salamat for spending time and care for us sa mga nablos mo and the whole family as well. We love you and happy birthday.
Oh, pabaskog lang, Tito.
Papaskog lang.
We will spend more time with you. Hope to see you very, very soon. Okay?
Okay?
Promise.
Promise na to.
Okay. Much love, Tito.
Much love, Tito.
God bless.
God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Love
birthday.
you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Tito! Happy birthday! And enjoy ka lang sa imo birthday. Sorry, gid nga hindi ko makakadto sa imo nga special day. Pa-celebrate sa imo 90th birthday. Pero I'm sending you our love and hugs para sa imo. Okay, enjoy lang sa imo birthday upod sang family kag friends. Okay? But we love you and we always pray for you. Just remember, God is there to heal you and to keep you strong. Okay? Okay, bye and enjoy. Happy birthday, Liwat. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lo! From Amelie! Amelie! Say happy birthday! Hi, Daddy Lo! Happy birthday! I miss you and I love you so much!
Hi, Daddy Lo! Happy 90th birthday! I miss you! If you can see na magkaiwalay kami ngayon ni Alexa, she's in Batangas. I'm in Lipa. Parehas kami na sa hospital. I hope I see you soon and pagaling ka dyan, Daddy Lo, ha? I miss you.
Hi, Daddy Lo. Happy birthday po. Happy 90th birthday. I wish you only good things and only blessings coming your way. Pagaling po kayo. Hope to see you soon po.
Love you, Daddy Lo.